Hello, everyone. Welcome to Reflections 36. And this is all about reversing Alzheimer's and helping heal the memory in the brain. Now, the cool thing about this body geometry is you don't have to be the person that has the Alzheimer's to do this. You can have a surrogate host direct the energy into the person that has the Alzheimer's. And so, for instance, if you have a loved one or a friend that's suffering from it, you can actually do the body geometry, and they don't have to be near you. They can be anywhere because when you're using energy healing, you are defying space, time, and distance using quantum-based principles. So where you set your attention, you can then put the body geometry or the intention behind the body geometry. So this is new. This was actually, um, this was someone requested this, and I don't know how it's going to work. I can speak to the effects of all the other ones that I've created because they've had 10 years to marinate out in the consciousness grid and they've done amazing things. So again, this is the first new one in almost 8, 9 years. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so go ahead and take a look at the sacred geometry and listen to the words that are coming out of my mouth and keep your attention on the target person that this is going to be used for. Violet flame decree for Alzheimer's reversal and healing. I call upon the violet flame of divine transformation, the sacred fire of mercy, compassion, and restoration. Blaze through every cell, every strand of DNA, in every neural pathway. Transmute the dense energies of confusion, memory loss, and disconnection. Dissolve the patterns of disintegration and replace them with the frequency of clarity, vitality, and wholeness. I invoke the light of divine intelligence to illuminate the mind, restore neural connections, rebuild cognitive function, and awaken the soul's perfect memory of health and balance. Violet flame, blaze and purify the mind and spirit. Clear all energetic blockages and release the accumulation of past trauma or discord that continues to mental decline. I call upon divine love to fill the space where limitation once existed. Let every thought, emotion, and memory be bathed in grace, bringing peace to the heart and strength to the body. I affirm the truth of divine perfection within. The light of healing flows uninterrupted, restoring the mind to its natural state of coherence and harmony. And so it is. Get our back straight. Now, again, if you're doing this for someone, you just got to keep your attention on them, in the beginning, direct the energy to them. Elbows down, palms facing out. Let's go ahead and bring our hands together to the tip of your nose. Go ahead and create the classic V. At this point, a spiraling vortex of energy just instantly pops up. And at this point, you want to put your attention on the user. Breathe through your mouth as you're breathing in that beautiful source energy. And on the exhale, you're exhaling to the target person. So keep it him or her or whoever in your mind as you're exhaling. From here, you're going to want to collapse your hands, fold them, unfold them a little bit like this, and then connect your thumb. This is how simple it is. So in this posture here is where the healing is going to begin. Okay, so from here, you're going to breathe through your mouth, exhaling through your nose. I wouldn't recommend doing this more than 2 or 3 times a day for someone. And notice within 72 hours how the mind starts to accept the new reality, which is the healing. Please give a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. If you want these, you can get a hold of me on moderndaymystic.com website. Hit the connect at the bottom and the contact, and I'll do what I can to help you out. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.